What's up, guys? It's Leah's Nails once again, and today I'm back with another video. In today's video I have another SHEIN nail haul. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I received, which you can see it's kind of small package. I think this is literally the smallest I've ever gotten a package from SHEIN, only because it's nail supplies. I didn't order no clothes, no phone cases, nothing but nail supplies. And so I will just be creating designs with them once again. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And let's get started. I ordered a lot of the same stuff just because I was like, ooh, I'm really gonna love this, you know, and I didn't want to run out of it super fast. Did I order this? Oh, it came with it. Oh, that's neat. Okay. Yeah, because I didn't want to run out of it and have to order something, you know, a couple more weeks, because I only order from SHEIN like every couple months. Not that often. Okay, so as you can see, I have flower decals that are not the water kind, but just the stick on, which I really love that because I hate water decals. I'm not gonna lie, I do not care for them. And these are a lot of the teddy bears and love me decorations, which I found were really cute on Instagram, and I just found them on SHEIN. I was like, I got to get it. And then these are some of the face, I'm not sure what they're called, I call them face decals. I'm not 100% sure what they're called, but these are two different designs. This one's brown, this one's brown and pink. I really love these and I always wanted them. And this is a French nail art template. It's supposed to be, it looks a lot different in the picture, so hopefully, because like in person it looks way bigger, so hopefully I still can use it. This was one of the things I'm really excited about, and now that I done got it, I don't know, we'll see what we can do with it. It just looked a lot more smaller in the pictures. But yeah, see, like the smallest one, I feel like that's the size for my thumb. Yeah, and that's the smallest one. These up here are really big, which you can still do them on toenail designs, so I still could use them. But you know, what can I do with them? I only have a couple of small ones, so it's like the big ones, what can I do with it? So I may be sending this back because I don't think it's gonna work out. I don't see how it will work out, to be honest with you. Yeah, so I'm gonna be sending these back, I'm pretty sure. That, oh well. These I'm really excited about, and I'm also really excited about these. These I ordered because I suck at nail art, and a lot of people want to drip nails, and I can't do drip, so I ordered some drip. Cool. What is this? I ordered this? I didn't know this was in my... Oh, I did order these. Okay, so when I was just looking at this one, I was kind of confused because I was like, I did not order cap print, but these lime ones I did order. Ooh, I'm so happy. I forgot about this. I really love them. They're so cute, and there's different colors for different color designs. It's really cute. First thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is just take everything out of the wrapper so I can put it in my nail scrapbook. I don't want to call it a scrapbook, but it really is one. I'm not gonna lie. It really is. And this is my scrapbook. When I did a video showing you guys like me cleaning my room, it was called Sword Nail Supply, but I was really just spraying my room out and cleaning it up. I did show you guys this. If you haven't already, go check that video out. It's just a really cute decal book, just a way to keep up with your decals. I really love it because it was hard trying to remember what I had, what I didn't have. That was really hard. Trying to remember. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really about to use these. I'm really excited to use these, but I don't know which color I'm gonna do just yet. I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that one. Throw stuff on. Changing my mind to the blue ones just because I couldn't decide on what color to do with the pink one. So I was just like, I'm gonna just do these. And what I'm gonna do is one hand, I'm gonna do the base on both hands is going to be a light nude, this brown. But on one hand, well, on both hands, I'm gonna do the swirly design. But on one hand, I'm gonna add gold flakes to it, and then on the other one, I'm not. So my customers have the options to add gold flakes or not to. Just because I kind of am thinking about gold flakes. Like, I know gold flakes can make or break a nail set, and I know they already gonna be fly just with the swirlies. So I was like, what if I add gold flakes? Am I gonna make or break this nail set? So I'm hoping that it'll end up looking right and that I end up loving it. So fingers crossed that this turns out right and that I end up loving it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be using the LA Colors gel polish. It is the CNP 752 Vanilla Latte. This is the same brown polish that I always use. I will always use this brown polish. It's one of my favorite ones. It doesn't get no better than this. Okay, so I do sincerely apologize. I thought I was recording and turns out I wasn't. So I was just over here doing them and I wasn't even recording. So I do apologize about that. But I do have 3 of the nails done with it. But I had said when I thought I was recording that you should make sure that you get these all the way dry. Just in case you have to peel one back up. You don't have to peel it up and they aren't all the way dry. That's gonna cause issues. So just from looking at them, I don't know, maybe they'll look better like once I get the finished product, but right now I'm not exactly loving it, but fingers crossed, you know, I end up loving it at the end. I kind of hate I got this gap right here. I've been trying to find stuff like to put right there, but I just haven't been able to find anything to fit. Okay, so this is how the first hand turned out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and possibly add the gold flakes just to see like how it would look. So I won't have to do this one and end up not liking it. I got mixed feelings, to be honest, about it. I'm hoping that the gold flakes make me like it, you know, a little bit more, because right now I don't really love it. I'm just like, maybe not. Okay, so before applying this, you want to make sure that you got all the stickers down packed and make sure there's no lifting. Now, obviously, once you apply the top coat, it does look a little bit more natural. You know, it doesn't look like you put stickers on it at all, which I do like that. Guys, I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't really, I don't say I don't care for it, but I just don't. I don't know. I feel like I like to go flakes one more. I feel like I'm so indecisive. Let me know which one is your favorite ones in the comments down below. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna get them the option to choose either gold flakes or, you know, but I don't know, I like gold flakes more. Like looking at them side by side. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna just do gold flakes on both.